Hey Diesel fans, you might not realize that we make compound turbo kits for the Fummins conversions, but we do. Our Fummins kits are a direct fit for most Ford Cummins conversions. If you have an awesome Fummins but need much cooler EGTs, more power and torque, our compound kit is the answer for you. High EGTs will be a thing of the past, a non-issue when you install our compound kit. It's made to fit tight to the engine to avoid the Ford HVAC box, which allows you to keep your AC. You can also get it with or without our amazing fast spooling, efficient turbinator VGT. Once you put a set of our compound turbos on your Fummins, you'll wonder why you didn't do it earlier.